Hello guys, this is your Misty again. Today we are cooking again. So today I'm gonna share to you my black eyed peas with the pig feet. I know not everybody actually eat pig feet, but it's actually pretty good. I was surprised myself because this is the second time I'm actually eating it. So hi to everybody, Philippines, US, and I do have some my Indian subscriber. I'm not seeing them anymore. I don't know why. But hello there in UK. I have a few viewers there. So yeah, I have only a few ingredients, simple dish. So let me show it to you. I have a garlic. This is about two tablespoons. A one medium onion, tomato, medium size, two pieces, a bunch of celery. It's about like 4, 5 stalk of celery. I have a 2 cups of black eyed peas over here. It's been soaking for about a couple of hours, about 2, 3 hours. They're slightly soft. And a 10 pieces of pig feet. This is actually the split. They were the split. So let me see with the bone and everything. This is about 3 pounds at least, or less. I don't know, or more. So let's start cooking. I turn the stove right now in high, and we're gonna put some cooking oil. My camera just moved. Alright guys, this is just a simple one, but it's gonna take a while for it to actually, we have to cook the ham hocks and the beans for a couple of hours. So we're just gonna, after we stir fry everything, we're going to let it simmer for a couple of hours. So we just put the garlic. Actually, if you cannot find a black eyed peas, you can actually substitute mung bean. Okay. Okay, the pan is hot and the garlic now it's sizzling. We're gonna add the onion. You don't want to burn the garlic. So just caramelize it a little bit, guys. Give it a couple of minutes. If you can actually smell this, the onion and garlic, it smells so good. We're gonna add our tomatoes. I'm gonna cover it. I want the tomato actually really cook down. So about 2 minutes. Let's check it. It smells so good, guys. That's why, in cooking, you just have to cook your aromatic or your ingredients in layer, so you can actually get the flavor out of your ingredients or your aromatics. Of course, the celery. Grab cover it again. Okay. It's ready to put the next ingredients. I hope you guys try this one. It's really good. Don't be scared about eating pig feet. Come to find out, they are actually tasty. Alright, so we're gonna put our pig feet that's already clean, washed, and good to go. Oh, let me wash my hand. At this time, we're actually gonna put the pig's feet and the beans together. Okay? Because it's gonna take a while. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Isn't it cooking is fun? For me, it's my stress reliever actually. And put the 2 cups of black eyed peas. Like I said, if you can't find black eyed peas, go ahead and use mung bean. And we're gonna add water in here. We're not gonna season it yet. So this is 16, I think 16 is I think this is 32 ounces of container. But my rule is to cover the meat. Cover it. We might need half of this. So another 32, another 16 ounces. Did you see, guys, the color? It's yellow. That's from the tomato. So I filled this 32 ounces of container. So let's see how much we need. Yep, half. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this boil, and once the water is boiling or the stock, we're gonna lower the temperature. Okay, don't cover it because it's gonna overflow. So just wait for this to boil, and we will lower the temperature and simmer it for, God knows, 2-3 hours, because we have to cook the the fig's feet, and also the black beans. All right, so let's wait for it to boil. Okay, it's starting to boil right now. We're gonna put a tablespoon of black pepper using the regular spoon. That's about a tablespoon. And of course, we're gonna put some bouillon. This is a beef bouillon. You can use chicken. That's about 2 tablespoons. Mix it. And let me put a tablespoon of salt also. So while it's simmering, the flavor is actually get into our beans and pig feet. It's gonna be flavorful, but we will adjust it later. Of course, I don't think that's salt. It's enough because a lot of liquid, but yeah, tablespoon for now for start. And I do have a 2 package of about the same amount, about 2 to 3 pounds of pig feet. I'm thinking about to make a pig feet adobo with that one. What do you think, guys? Let me know, leave it in the comment. Oh, and also if you're not subscribed yet and you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, guys. You kind of give me inspiration. It's free, by the way. Give me inspiration to cook and to share more recipe to you guys. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, and leave me a comment, by the way. Good or bad, whatever, nobody's perfect. Maybe you have a better idea or better recipe with this pig feet. So, yep. So I'm gonna lower the temperature to medium. I'm gonna cover it and simmer it for, I'll give it 2 hours for now. No, 1 hour, and we'll check it. Right now it's 11:12, so I'm gonna give it an hour. Alright guys, update with our dish. This is about half an hour boiling. Of course, I don't expect the pig's feet is soft and the beans. You just want to make sure you check it once in a while. You don't want the liquid to evaporate because you don't want it to burn. Okay, so it's good now actually. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour the rest of the water because it's gonna take a while for these beans and pig feet to tenderize. Yep. Let's close it back. So yeah, let's check it again in half an hour. Okay guys, a change of plan. So I don't want to wait for 2 to 3 hours for our pig feet and black eyed beans to soften. So I put it in this this is actually my pressure cooker pan. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pressurize it. Okay guys, we're gonna, I'll put it in my pressure cooker. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in stew button. All right, and I'll put it for 30 minutes. This is a stew button right here, and put it for 30 minutes. All right, and we're gonna check it. Make sure our you don't want our beans and pig feet to get mushy or very soft. We just want it just right. Okay guys, so let's wait for 30 minutes and I will show you what it looks like. Okay guys, the 30 minutes is over, so I'm releasing the pressure on our pressure cooker. So just give it a minute. I will show you if it is already soft or tender to eat, so we can sample it, or it needs more time. Okay, so just give it a minute. All right guys, the moment of truth. The black eyed peas, it's soft now. The pig's feet is fork tender. You don't want it softer than this. All right, so basically 30 minutes in a stove top and 30 minutes in a pressure cooker. Let's see how it tastes like. Oh, yum. It's good, guys. Let's go plate it. And of course, this is good the next day. My lordy. Hope you guys try this. Don't be afraid eating a pig's feet. It's delicious. Yo. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is the finished product. It's delish, guys. I hope you try it. You can add more bouillon if you want, salt, or black pepper if you like. But for me, this is light enough. So if somebody need to add pepper or salt, that is up to them. But do not over season it. So hope you guys try this recipe. Black eyed peas with pig's feet. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you try this recipe. See you in my next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share please. Thank you. Bye.